I found 3 faceless niches that almost nobody is talking about, and I think you should start looking at them before the year ends. Why? Because these niches are still not very crowded right now, but that could change next year. And the best part is that you can do all of them without showing your face. I mean, that is the whole idea of a faceless channel, right? You also don't need experience making videos or even running a YouTube channel. 1. Walking. So, the first one is walking. Yes, walking. You know, the thing you do with your legs. This channel simply makes videos of people walking around the city. No face, no voice, and you can see the results. Honestly, they are pretty amazing. There is no complicated editing, no long script, and the channel is monetized because it is not just random AI-generated content. It is original content, but it is also very simple to make. Basically, you just walk around and record. This creator picks up a camera, goes outside in New York City, records for a few minutes, and then adds some captions to explain what is happening or where he is. For example, he might explain the name of a building or location. Of course, let's take a step back because he is also lucky in one way. A lot of people want to see New York City. If you live in a small town, you probably will not get the same number of views because the location is different. So, what can you do if you don't want to walk outside? What if you don't want to carry a camera around? And what if you don't live somewhere people want to watch? You can hire someone. Yes, you can easily pay another person to record these videos for you. You don't need to hire some expensive professional photographer. Almost anyone can do it, so your budget can be very small. You could even record these videos with an iPhone. Phones are actually very good at recording video today. That means you could run this type of channel from anywhere while having people record videos for you in different cities around the world. You don't even have to leave your house. The strategy is simple. Find cities that are already getting attention and create walking videos specifically in those places. 2. Banking and finance. Whenever you talk about finance on YouTube, the CPM can be very high. That means you can potentially make more money from the same number of views because advertisers are willing to pay more. And you don't have to be a financial expert or show your face to create a channel in this space. People have questions about all kinds of things related to money and the financial system. Finance is a huge part of our everyday lives, but many people don't really understand how everything works behind the scenes. For example, if you search for something like what happens when you send money, you can find faceless videos explaining these simple financial ideas and how money moves from one place to another. The same thing happens if you search for how credit card actually works. You know, Visa cards, MasterCard, and all those systems. And once again, many of these videos are completely faceless. Remember, when you choose a high CPM niche, 20,000 views can sometimes be worth much more than 200,000 views in a low CPM niche like general entertainment, simply because advertisers pay differently depending on the topic. So don't ignore these niches just because the videos aren't getting millions of views. They may look boring, but that is exactly where you can find some of the biggest opportunities. There is still a lot of room. Now, let's keep going. 3. Cost of things. People are becoming more worried about money, and honestly, that makes sense because of the way things are today. But there is a YouTube niche called the cost of things. For example, you could make videos about the cost of owning a car, the cost of having a child, the cost of living alone compared to living with roommates, or even the cost of not pressing the like button. This niche is growing quickly, and there are endless video ideas you can create. And because topics connected to money and finance often have higher CPMs, you can potentially earn more from the same number of views. That makes this niche a pretty good opportunity. It is also perfect for a faceless channel because you don't actually need to own a car or buy a house just to make a video about the cost of owning one. You simply need to collect numbers and facts and explain them in an interesting way. It is not really about your personality or how entertaining you are. You can stay completely behind the scenes. That makes it a very simple faceless niche. Pick a niche and start. If you just sit around thinking about starting, nothing is going to change. You have to take action. Like if this video was helpful,